I'm basically a very lazy cook, so I'm looking for little work and big wins. And dried chilies is a big win with almost no work. What makes dried chilies so amazing is the complexity and the nuance. Think about the difference between, let's say, an apricot and the intensity of that when you eat dried apricots. So that's what you get with dried chilies you don't get with chili powder, is nuance and complexity and depth. So first thing you need to do is shop for them when they're fresh. You want to get chilies that are pliable. Pick them up, bend them. They break, put them back down, and look for other chilies. When you get them home, put them somewhere cool and dry. Airtight container, zipper lock bag is fine in the pantry. Months, even years later, they will be fine as long as they were in an airtight container. When it comes to cleaning them, sometimes they can be a little dusty or a little dirty. Just use a damp paper towel. You don't need to rinse them, just a little light pressure to clean them off. And finally, toasting. That is the key to unlocking their flavor, and then you can remove the stem and the seeds. I often do it in the microwave. Sure, you can do it in the skillet or the stovetop or the oven, but the microwave takes 10 seconds for one chili, maybe 30 seconds for a bunch of chilies. Do it in 10-second increments so you don't overdo it. As soon as you can smell them, they're good to go. All right, you will see recipes that call for dozens of varieties of chilies, and I know I've got a lot of chilies here. I'm gonna make it super simple for you. There are 4 categories. The first category are these 4 down here, and I'm naming them the fruity and funky family. That's not an official name, that's a Jack Bishop name. And these all are relatively mild. They have a lot of fruit flavor, and you can substitute one for the other. They're going to be a little bit different. The anchos are really raisiny with some chocolate notes. The mulattoes, I think, have more of what I would call licorice notes. These are a little smoky, and the guajillos, they might have little bits of herbaceousness in them, but they're similar enough, similar intensity. So that's your first family, fruity and funky. Second family is these middle 2, what I'm gonna call earthy and nutty. New Mexico's are just really a versatile, delicious chili. The Cascabel are more woody and nutty and really have more of that earthiness to them. The third family are these 2. Hot things come in little packages, or at least in these 2 cases. These are both pretty spicy chilies. They're bright, more acidic, almost citrusy. Again, they can be used in place of each other, but you wouldn't really want to swap these out for other chilies on the table. And the final category is this last one down by himself, smoky. This chili is actually smoked. It's typically a jalapeno, smoked over wood fire. And yeah, you get chocolatey and tobacco notes, but what you mostly get is smoke. Dried chilies, they're more than just heat.
Take our recipes and reviews wherever you go with the America's Test Kitchen mobile app.
Fail-proof recipes, unbiased equipment reviews, how-to videos, and a vibrant community of like-minded home cooks.
With smart searching and handy tools, you'll have everything you need to create the most amazing meals.
Download the America's Test Kitchen mobile app today. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, head over to americastestkitchen.com and get a free all-access trial membership.
While you're there, you can sign up for our free email newsletters and download our app.
With unlimited access to over 14,000 of our Test Kitchen recipes and 8,000 product reviews, you'll have everything you need to cook and learn.
So I ask, what are you waiting for?
Let's make something great together.